This is the next step forward on universal turning. I think there are not many who can just cover what we can cover. And as I said, I can only repeat myself, versatility on this machine, the universal turning is the key on this NLX machine.
Ralph, this is the NLX 2500 machine. Now, this is the Gen 2. What's changed? Because it was some machine before it was the Generation 2.
Yeah, it was Generation 1 before, as the number already said, yeah. Basically, I would not start with the Gen 2. I would say we have an experience with this kind of universal turning machine, means one turret machine with 1 or 2 spindles. We have been already starting in 2004. In 2004 was the launch of the original of the NL series. This was the first machine with the built-in motor turrets. This means with a direct drive in the turret. In 2011, we then started with the NLX first generation. So we made the first upgrades, also based on what we learned from the market. So in between, there were already 7 years of usage of the NL series. We used the same concept on the built-in motor turret, but the improvements were on this NLX, on the system, on the machine, on the control side, the outside shape of the machine, also the visibility to the machining area, to the working area. So we had been building a machine with more ergonomics, with again, more rigidity, more accuracy, more thermal stability. That was the first gen then. And I have to say, we only talk about now NLX or NL 2500. The 2500 stands for 12-inch chuck. This is the standard chuck on this machine. And this is the, 10-inch chuck, not 12. And this is the interesting 6,000 machines on NL series in 7 years. 11,000 machines NLX first generation, this size of. And now we start through with the NLX second generation. And again, we have really done something really perfect. You can't see this on the machine, and this is a nice thing. First of all, ergonomics has been kept as it should be. So
yeah, I mean, it's easy accessibility.
Easy accessibility. You're directly at the turret, so you have your spindles directly in front of you. Always very important for a universal machine. Then what you can't see, it's the machine is rigid, absolutely rigid. We have now 3-point support on this machine.
3 points?
3 points. We have 2 sub points, but they are not so important. We have 3-point support, means we have 50% more castings inside this machine. It's a monster, it's heavy. Yeah?
So it's 50% heavier? Or is
50% only on the bed structure to keep the rigidity on this machine. We have been working on the accuracy. We use our magnet scales on all axes as a standard on this machine to be more accurate also in terms of, for example, milling operation. So we can say we have a lathe, which is also a milling machine. Yeah. And this definitely also due to the direct drive system in the turret. We are meanwhile up to 100 Newton meters live tooling on the turret. So this is, as said, it's a milling machine.
So it's like a small machining center in a sense. When you talk about that foundation, that casting, the box guideway, what difference does that make in a machining process? Is it just dampening out all of the heavy vibrations?
Exactly, this is the point. And we have to say, if we talk about boxways, yeah, it's very important that you have a damping on the machine. And this is what this machine stands for. So we have this damping, we have the accuracy, we have the thermal rigidity, which was also something. We have guideways increased from 45 to 55. So things which you can't see, but in total, the overall setup of this machine became much more rigid, much more versatile, which is also important. And finally, the result is, and this is also something, we listen to our customers, yeah?
You talk about versatility, and I know there's a few different options with the machines. One thing that I noticed when you've got 2 spindles and 1 turret is you may, if you had a twin turret, you got lots of tools, but with a single turret, you might get into a situation where there isn't enough tools. But with here, you have the option of 20 tools on the turret, I believe, as well.
Exactly, yeah. So we have 4 different type of turrets. So we can go into VDI 40. This is the setup of this machine here. We have a 20 station turret, 20 tools with BMT 40, a more rigid system. And then if you really want to go into this hard machining and this very heavy cutting, then I always recommend BMT 60 with this machine. And then we have this 100 Newton meters. And this is when we have really the cutting performance. Just as an idea, when we did the tryouts on this machine in our factory in Iga, we tried to fix the part as much as possible on the chuck, but to go into the cutting depths which this machine can do, and this is 11 millimeter depths of cut in turning in steel, we had to screw the part on the chuck, as otherwise
Really?
it may fall out. Yeah, so
Yeah.
that shows the
So
interest.
the machine is capable of doing the cut,
Yeah.
but it was the work holding that could have been
absolutely,
the
It is
Wow, yeah.
universal, versatile, and that's where we are coming from.
You're clearly excited about the Gen 2. This is going to be a big seller for DMG MORI then around the world, I believe.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, so because this is the next step forward on universal turning. I think there are not many who can just cover what we can cover. And as I said, I can only repeat myself, versatility on this machine, the universal turning is the key on this NLX machine.